Everybody, today gonna check out the realest puppy playtime with Pops. Okay. So I'm gonna find someone and we'll be back. Does you need any ones? I think I will download this one. And another one. I typed in puppy playtime 10. Okay, I guess. What is this? What? No. Okay, I guess I'm downloading this. Guys, I just found this is actually Puppy Playtime Sample 2. Go download it. But only if you have money, okay? Because I don't have, I'm sad. I'm actually just pretending I'm sad. Oh, what is this one? Okay, I'm going to download one more and that's it. Okay, I'm back. I'm still, oh yeah, the first one got downloaded. I didn't face revealing. Okay. Give this one be a hella good. First thing I have to make my, how do I make my camera a hell of a small? Let's play the game. Oh, what is this? This is, why is this pixel look kinda sucks? Sus. And the guy, are you serious? Okay. The other pixel, what is this? Okay, this one is not working. It is not working. Oh, the second one got downloaded. Let's go, boys. Please be a real game. Please be a real game. Please be a real game. And yeah, what the hell? This one looks kinda bad. Let's play. Skip. What's this? When the what? I can see myself. Oh, is this? Okay, good. Perfect like that. Oh my gosh! Look at him driving a car in this game. What the hell? Oh, look at this. The Kraus. What do I even do in this game? I feel like this one is going to be this. Can we get out? Can we get out? Oh yes, you have to get closer to the. What is this? Rip off! Dang it! What's in here? Oh my gosh, this camera's gonna hide in the closet. But does this grab packs work? I'll just press on them. No, I can't now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, wait, the controls are so long. I feel the game is lagging. Hello? There's blood on the door. Okay, let's just go. I don't feel like this game has a little Huggy Wuggy. I don't feel like they put Huggy Wuggy in the game. Is that him? This is just this. What the hell is that? Okay, I don't want to see it yet. Hello? Come on, Huggy Wuggy supposed to be here. I healed something. Okay, this game is a 0 out of 10. Has nothing. No, it's a 5 out of 10, you know. I kinda like it, but it doesn't have Huggy Wuggy. The game is kinda laggy. What are those vents? Is this FNAF? Is this FNAF? What is this? Okay. Oh yes, all of them, baby. Got that loaded. You see one of those. You see out on this one. This one's a be good. This one's a be. Did this one copy it? Mommy oh no, you can see mommy. Is Daddy Deals? I just freaking killed. I just said Daddy Deals from Five Nights at Freddy's. Stop? I mean stop. You stop. Okay. No, no, you gotta be kidding me. You got. They copied it. They copied to the other game. What the hell? Okay, what about this one? Please be good. Please be something that's good. Please be something that's good. Oh man. What is this one? Can you actually play it? What is doing it? Okay, I'm going to go back and find. I'm back. I just sick of this one. Don't play game. No, what is Poppy? What is this? The spell Poppy want. How do I even? How do you play the game? Do you actually press? Okay, why no? Why? The second game, please. Oh. Play game? Whoa. What is this? Oh yeah, you're supposed to. How am I? What do I do? Level 1. Red light. Did it set red lights? Oh man. Green light. His name is Huggy. Huggy Wuggy. When he hugs you, he'll never stop. Your friend Huggy. Huggy Wuggy. He'll squeeze you until you pop. What in the world? Okay, I didn't know what this happened. I guess so. Oh yeah. So this is how you. Green light. This is easy. Oh my god. Why in the world? Boom, 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 boom. Okay. No, that's not it. Wait, no, wait, what am I supposed to do? Wait. Hello? Okay, try this again. Yep. Come on, 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 come on. Green light. What is this game? Okay, I'm going to try this millions of times. Oh, so I. Freaking killing me now. That's it. Okay. How do I even do this? Look at this lasers. Are you serious? Green light. Green light. Yeah. The second level. No. 1 second. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give that one a 0 of 0. Yep. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you again. And bye bye.